I want to help you pay your bills. I want to speak to anybody that just got fired. I want to speak to anybody that's a 1099 contractor. I want to speak to anybody that is a do-it-yourself person. I want to speak to anybody that's a gig worker. I want to speak to anybody that accepts mobile payments. Did you know that every dime that you receive in 2023 by mobile payment systems like Cash App, PayPal, Zelle, Venmo are all taxable income? Your taxable income that you receive from your W-2 job is taxed at a certain rate, and then you hold out them taxes to pay at the end of the year or get a refund. But did you take into account the money that's been transferred to your PayPal account? What about your wife's money that she's received on her PayPal or Cash App account? All that money that you received combined is going to be taxed at 20 to 30%. And where did you hold out money to pay those taxes? With the IRS hiring 75,000 new IRS agents to enforce the tax code in 2024, what do you think the penalty is going to be without paying your taxes that you owe and didn't realize because you weren't keeping up with the tax laws? What are you going to do whenever your tax liability goes up from 2022 of not being able to tax you on the income on your payment apps to 2023, you have a jump in your tax of $5,000 to $10,000 because you didn't understand the tax laws or pay attention to the law changes of how they're going to collect taxes? I suggest everybody today understand that mobile tax payments and mobile payment apps are going to be taxed at a 20 to 30% rate, and that if you don't pay your taxes, you're going to face the penalties as outlined in the IRS document for not paying your taxes in 2023. I suggest everybody get to know the tax liability laws for mobile payment services, and if you're accepting payments through a mobile payment service like Cash App, PayPal, or Venmo, that you start a business entity for the business services you provide and write off the necessary expenses to get your tax liability brought down to a more manageable level. TLG is the cheapest place in the nation to start your own business. For $39, we can get you an LLC, a corporation, or a nonprofit through our partners at Northwest Agent. And just remember, I don't want your money.